Well, see if this bike runs. I mean, it'll start, but see if it actually has problems. carb screw. That's a quick thing to check. one thing. Let's go check the head. See if the head's leaking. I don't see any leaks. Okay, let's check the carb screw. Oops. Okay. Half. One. So that one. The carb's leaking. Half. See if I put to a half, what happens? The car's leaking up on the side. See, even the bowl it looks like. Let me see here. Put it on that side. Yeah, let's see, it's leaking on the side here. Well, guess that's it. I'm gonna start it up over time here. Luckily, I do have a brand new carb. Hope it's the same size. So, yeah, let's see at least the top. So I'm thinking it's the carb. Which I don't have a new carb with me to put on it, unfortunately. Yeah, I can't really ride it like this if it's all messed up though. So I put in, set the air cleaner. See what that does. Actually, I was just a little bit afraid to be flooded. I don't think so. But yeah, this is one of those things. That's why this is a test ride. Never rode it like. Yeah, in 2016. Never rode it. really wants to go. Whenever it catches, well, it starts pulling right up a little bit. That looks like a pretty good screamer. It goes running right. That's not. It was a complete waste. So my suspicion right now is anyways because that the carb is leaking. I mean, it could be a bunch of different things here, right? I don't think it's burning oil or antifreeze though, because once it was going, the smoke wasn't a huge amount of smoke. Could be the ignition, but given that the carburetor was leaking on the side, it was leaking right in there, so the seal's bad. So I believe that just focus on this carb. It was leaking right on the side, like right there. You know, so like I came out the side there. So I believe it was getting more air, and it seemed to work out a little bit better whenever I turned the air screw into only a half turn instead of a full turn. So I believe that's what the problem is, that carb needs a rebuild kit. Wondering what I did to that bike. So here's the carb. If I leave it outside, see it starts leaking out of the vent there. That's the problem. So we were wondering, well, what I did to that bike. Well, I had all the suspension redone. I put new front and back tires on it. I put a new side case on it. I put new radiator hoses on it. I put new cables on it. Again, the front and back suspension was all done. I cleaned out the carburetor, did all the normal stuff. You know, I didn't do anything beyond that. I don't even remember if I checked timing or not. I might have. I'm not sure. But I did not put a new rebuild kit in this carburetor. So I can either swap carbs, because it's the same carb. This one's brand new. So I can either swap carbs, or I can even just move over the seal from this carb over to here and buy a rebuild kit. Or buy a new seal for that one. Yeah, you can see that's just folded up. It's terrible. So, garbage. Alright, so took the gasket out of the new one, put it back into this one. Then I'll blow out those jets and put it back together, see what happens. Alright, blew it out, put the thing back on. Let's see, it's still leaking. It's not leaking anymore. Okay, good. Alright, this is gonna be a pain in the ass to put back on. This one's so hard to put back on that bike. It's so tight there. It's actually running worse than I fixed the carb. So I think I'll check the jetting on the carb and I'll check the ignition next. But I was smoking a bit, so I might check the transmission oil. That's the other thing it could be, is that seal might be leaking and it could be getting oil in from the bottom end. It definitely ran worse now that I fixed the seal on the carb. So I don't think the coolant is leaking, but it could be the seal there. So those are two things. I'll check the ignition, maybe get a new one, and if that's not it, then I bet you it needs rebuilt.